In the forbidding Kalahari Desert, most feel safe. These family meerkats do, but little do they know they are wrong. This is when the Green Parrot Hawk loves to strike. Oh no! There it goes! Straight for that meerkat! Oh no! It's eating it! Oh no! Its guts. It thinks that they are delicious. Meanwhile, all of the other meerkats have fled to the safety of their burrow. The lookouts are still oblivious to the danger, while the Green Parrot Hawk continues to devour its unlucky prey. Poor meerkat, left still standing, while that happy little bird chows down.